Hey there, welcome to my channel, Messes with Michelle. If you're returning, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Michelle. Before I jump into decorating, I want to share with you a very simple 5-ingredient simmer pot recipe to help bring the fall aromas into your home. The combination of ingredients is just beautiful, and it just makes a nice calming feeling in the house. So if you wanted to create the same fall recipe, I'll leave the instructions on the screen for you. Now it's time to decorate, and I'm going to start in my dining room. I'm going to create a tablescape on the dining room table. This year I kept it very classic once again with the colors. I'm using a lot of oranges and just those classic fall colors that you'll find throughout the season. And it was great that having the simmer pot going as I was decorating, because the day that I decorated it was sweltering outside. I think it was 30 degrees Celsius. So even though it was really warm outside and it wasn't that cool, crisp fall weather yet, just having that scent of cinnamon swirling around the house really helped bring in that nice fall vibe as I was decorating.
With the weight of the world, what's in a life you never could afford. Even if you've never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound. Never learn to rise above these crowds, stuck in the dust of the life that you found, with nowhere to go, no higher.
I found these pillows at HomeSense, and as soon as I saw them I had to have them. They have a nice velvet feel. I love the print, and they're great because I can use them around fall, but also I can carry them over into other seasons as well. But I knew I had to have them, and I wanted to set them up when you first walk into the house, so I've just placed them in the little alcove closet area when you first walk in.
You can still take flight, although you're earthbound.
Take me to the ruins, aquifers and springs, baby ferns uncurling, every little
I'm always in the hunt for a nice new rug, and I found this rug at HomeSense, and I just thought it would be perfect for fall because of the rich colors. I love adding a nice pop of color into the kitchen, and this was a great effective way to just get that punch of color that I was looking for the fall season.
So I can see it put back together. You could call it a vision or a tether.
This is the same runner that I used in the dining room, just a smaller version. I don't typically decorate my kitchen table, but I thought I'd try it this year because it's just nice to have a little pop of color on the table.
Sing to you a song.
These shelves are a very quick DIY that I did earlier this summer. We had a few pine boards left from a previous project, so I stained them in American walnut, added a few brackets, and now we have 3 shelves in my kitchen. And I love having the shelves here because I can just add more decor. I just had it set up and decorated for summer when I first put up the shelves, but now I'm switching everything out to more fall, and I'm using decorative plates that I picked up last year from HomeSense.
All at once I can see it.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding.
I bought a couple of new stems for my vase, and you're going to see just clips of me adding some leaves onto the mantle. After I was finished filming the video, I just thought I'd go back and add a few more stems just to make a more full look. So it was a bit of a trial and error. It took a couple of days to get the look that I was wanting, but it came out really nice, and I'll show you at the after shots how everything came together.
You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own.
Thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching my decorate with me. I love having you here and sharing how I decorate for the seasons. So if you made it to the end of this video, drop me a leaf emoji in the comments, and I really want to know what is your favorite part of the changing season into fall. I have to say it's cooler weather, but also the beautiful leaves. So I'll leave a couple more videos for you to watch if you want to keep the fall decorating going, and I will catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.